Good morning. Good morning, students. Am I audible? Lokesh, Vikas, am I audible? Good morning, students. Yes, okay. Good morning to all of you. So let's start our today's lecture. And we are here on page number 83 in your textbook. And in our last class, yesterday, we saw that there was this letter from Antonio, which gives this information that all of his ships they have uh, miscarried, and then this Salerio brings this letter with his uh, along with Lorenzo, Jessica, and a messenger. And after that, we saw that Portia says when he Bassanio tells her that this is my friend who has lost his trade at sea. And on the other hand, there is this date on which he had to pay Shylock the money which I took from him. And then Portia says, okay, first go to church. Let's go to church and call me wife. And then we will go to Venice to help your friend. And she offers here double 6,000 and then treble that, so 26,000 ducats she offers here. And but then she says, let me hear the letter of your friend, but let me hear what is written. And then Bassanio reads, sweet Bassanio, my ships have all miscarried. My creditors grow cruel. My estate is very low. So this is what Antonio has written here. So he calls Bassanio sweet Bassanio and says that all of my ships they have been wrecked, and because of that I have no money now. My all that trade items they went into the sea, and I have no money. My estate is very low. Estate is here, his property, his wealth, that is very low, and my creditors grow cruel. Creditors, those people who lend lend money. So Antonio uh, he he took money from these people so that he can perform his trade activities. But now, because his ships they have destroyed into the sea, and that is why he is not able to pay them back, and they have grown very cruel. They want their money, but then he says, my bond to the Jew is forfeit, and my bond, my agreement with the Jew. Who is the Jew? Shylock. So, is forfeit. Forfeit is that is that I have crossed that date by which I had to submit that money. So now that is I will be penalized. Penalize is मुझे कोई दंड दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, I will have some kind of punishment. And then, and since in paying it, it is impossible I should live. So what is the penalty? What was that penalty? Penalty was that Shylock will take a pound of flesh. So that's why he says, in paying it, in giving a pound of flesh from my body, it is impossible I should live. I will not be able to live. Okay? All debts are cleared between you and I. All debts, whichever are there, they will be cleared as far as both of us are concerned. Okay? Because this Bassanio has also taken money from Antonio. That's why he says, I will clear. I will consider that clear if you come. If I might but see you at my death. If I can see you before Shylock takes that pound of flesh from my body. If I can see you there, then I will consider that you have paid me back. And notwithstanding, use your pleasure. Notwithstanding is despite. Use your pleasure is uh, uh, you can live there with Portia if your love do not persuade you to come. If your love means if Portia does not want you to come to me, then let not my letter. So do not come then. Stay with Portia and don't come uh, on the behalf of what I have written in this letter. Forget that and stay there. And then Portia says, "Oh love, dispatch all business and be gone." So in her previous dialogue, she said that first call me wife, and then we will go to Venice. But now, after hearing this, the content of this letter, she says, "Oh love, dispatch all business, make all arrangements. Let's get prepared and let's go." And so she is ready after hearing this news. And Bassanio says, "Since I have your good leave to go away, I will make haste." Haste is hurry, because you have given me this permission. So I will not waste any more time. But till I come again, no bed shall ever be guilty of my stay, no rest be interposer twixt us twain. तो कहता है बट स्टिल आई कम अगेन, लेकिन जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आ जाऊं, एंटोनियो की मदद करके जब तक वापस नहीं आ जाऊं, नो बेड shall ever be guilty of my stay means I will not use any bed. Bed is which means I will not have any rest till I until I come back to you. No rest be interposer. Interposer is an obstacle, एक रुकावट. तो कहता है नो रेस्ट, आई विल नॉट टेक रेस्ट. Why? Because that rest will be like an obstacle between our reunion. Betwixt us uh, twain means twixt जो है यहाँ it means between and twain is two. So that rest will be an obstacle between us two. And then we are at Act 3, Scene 3rd, and into Shylock, Solanio, Antonio, and the jailer. So now uh, we can say that this is in Venice. We are in Venice, and Shylock says, "Jailer, look to him." Look to him means be careful. Take care of this Antonio. कहीं ये भाग ना जाए कहीं. Tell not me of mercy. So here, this what is going on here is that this jailer, he has brought Antonio out of the jail, and both of them they are at Shylock's house or in front of Shylock, and they are trying to persuade now. Before this, we saw that all the Duke and other noblemen of Venice and other merchants, all of them tried to persuade Shylock that Shylock don't take this pound of flesh. Forget about that. Leave Antonio. Forgive him. But he does not. He did not uh, agreed. He did not agree to that. And now here Antonio is trying to persuade him himself. Antonio himself is trying. And that is why, let's see that. That's why Shylock here says, "Tell not me of mercy. Do not talk about mercy. This is the fool that lent out money gratis." Money gratis is lending money without charging any interest. So here he says to jailer that this fool, this Antonio, is a foolish man who gave money to people without taking interest. Jailer, look to him. Jailer, be careful, take care of him. And then Antonio says, "Hear me yet, good Shylock." So he is requesting here, good Shylock, he is saying, he is requesting that, please listen to me. And Shylock says, "I will have my bond. Speak not against my bond. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond. Thou callest me dog before thou hadst the cause." So here Shylock is not listening to Antonio. He is not ready to listen to him. And he says, "I will have my bond." मैं अपना bond है जो उसको ही उसी पर अभी भी अभी भी मैं उसी पर अड़ा हुआ हूँ. I will have that. I will follow that agreement. Speak not against my bond. Do not speak against that. I have sworn an oath. I have taken this oath that I will have my bond. मैंने कसम खा रखी है that I will have it. Thou callest me dog before thou hadst the cause. So what is his this oath? So bond है basically bond is about taking a pound of flesh. That's it. And he is adamant at that. Yes, I am going to take revenge on Antonio. I am going to kill him. So here he is trying to justify that why. So he says, "Thou callest me dog before thou hadst a cause." So this calling Shylock dog, we also saw this at that time when Antonio goes with Bassanio to have this money. There Shylock said, "You called me a cur. Does does a cur has money?" है ना? तो वहां हमने देखा. So now again he says this. So this is what this is the insult which which has been which had been done by Antonio towards Shylock, and Shylock is not able to forget that. ठीक है, उसके दिमाग में यही जो उसकी इंसल्ट की थी वही याद रहता है उसे, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही इज ईगर टू टेक रिवेंज. इसलिए बदला लेना चाहता है. एंड ही सेज हियर, "You called me dog before thou hadst the cause." Without any reason, before you had a cause to call me a dog, you called me that without having any reason. But since I am a dog, beware my fangs. Fangs is sharp teeth. Sharp teeth which are which we use to tear. जो हमारे जो नुकीले दांत होते हैं, ऐसे ही जो डॉग है उसके होते हैं. So that is he is referring to here, that I am a dog and beware of my sharp teeth. I am going to bite you. The Duke shall grant me justice. So he says Duke is going to give me justice as per this agreement. I do wonder, thou naughty jailer, that thou art so fond to come abroad with him at his request. I do wonder is, I am very surprised, thou naughty jailer. Naughty is here worthless, or who is not very cautious. Says that that's why he was saying be careful with Antonio, and he says that Duke is going to give me justice, and you jailer, you are coming, you are so fond, means you are so silly to come abroad. Come abroad is to come out, to bring Antonio out of this jail with at his request, because Antonio requested you, and that is why you have brought him here. How foolish you are. And Antonio says, "I pray thee, hear me speak." So now again he prays that, "Let me speak and listen what I am saying." And Shylock, again he will not listen here. He again says, I will have my bond. I will not hear thee speak. मैं तुम्हें नहीं सुनूंगा. I am not going to listen you. I will have my bond and therefore speak no more. I will have my bond and speak no more is do not try to persuade me against having my bond. I am going to have it. I will not be made a soft and dull-eyed fool to shake the head. Soft is here for soft-hearted. Dull-eyed is dull means stupid. So dull-eyed fool is a person with uh, just like that look. And he says, I am not going to be a kind man or a stupid fellow to shake the head. Shake the head is to shake the head in uh, by agreeing to what they are saying. I am not going to agree with you. Relent and sigh. Relent is again to soften, to um, to yield, to allow, and sigh is to lament and yield to Christian intercessors. And yield is again to bow or to agree. Uh, Christian intercessors. Intercessors means mediators. जो हम कहें इंटरमीडियरीज या बिचौले जो होते हैं, बिचौलिया, ठीक है, जो कहीं किसी का झगड़ा हो जाए तो उसके मध्यस्थता जो करते हैं, बीच में जाकर के दोनों पक्षों के बीच की जो लड़ाई है उसको उसका समाधान करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So he says, I am not going to be that person. I will not listen to you and follow not. So now he says, follow not, don't come after me again. I will have no speaking. I am not going to have any talk with you. I will have my bond. What I will have is my bond. So he is very adamant here and exits Shylock. So Shylock exits, and then Solanio is there. He says, it is the most impenetrable cur that ever kept with men. So he says that this is the impenetrable again. वही पीछे भी हमने देखा, which cannot be penetrated, जिसके आर पार हम कोई चीज ना कर सकें. यानी कि जो शाइलोक ने एक बार ठान लिया वो ठान लिया, उसके दिमाग में हमारी बातें नहीं घुस रही हैं. एंड कर इज अगेन फॉर डॉग. he is he is like a dog who will not listen to us, and that ever kept with man, who ever lived among men. And Antonio says, let him alone, leave him. I will follow him no more with bootless prayers. Bootless is here useless or fruitless. I will follow him no more. I am not going to pray again, because all of these prayers are useless. They have no effect on him. He seeks my life. He seeks his, he searches. He is after my life. He wants to kill me. His reason well I know. And for doing this, what is his reason? I know that very well. I oft delivered uh, from his forfeitures many that have at times made moan to me. Oft delivered is I often gave gave money from his forfeitures. Forfeitures is those people who were to penalize, uh, that have at times made moan to me, and they come. Moan is to pray, or they to request. They came here for my help. They requested me for my help, and I helped them. And that is why, in that way, Shiloh could not he could not have this money back. That is why it was his loss, and that is why he is willing to have this, to take my life. Therefore, he hates me. That is why he has this kind of hatred for me. And Solanio says, I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. To hold is uh, to validate. To hold is to validate. तो जायज नहीं ठहराएगा, ये हम कह सकते हैं. जो ड्यूक है, इस पेनल्टी को, जो 1 पाउंड एक पाउंड मांस लेने की जो का जो दंड है उसे जायज नहीं ठहराएगा, एंड ही विल नॉट अलाउ दिस. But Antonio says the Duke cannot deny the course of law. So this is the course of law. This is the law of Venice. That if there is this agreement between two parties, then whatever will happen, it will be based on the on that agreement. So here this agreement is about a pound of flesh. So it will happen here. Antonio is certain about it, and he says, and he also gives this reason why. For the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice. This commodity is all of these trade activities which are going on here that strangers have with us. Strangers is these other merchants. If it be denied, if it be denied, will much impeach the justice of his state. And if Duke deny this bond, this agreement which Shylock is talking about, then what will happen? It will impeach the justice of his state. Impeach is discredit or to question. So this those rules, जो नियम सेट हैं कि हाँ जैसा एग्रीमेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग सभी कुछ होगा, अगर ड्यूक इसे मना करता है तो ये उसके जस्टिस न्याय पर सवाल उठाएगा. Since that the trade and profit of the city consists of all nations, and moreover the trade and profit, जो ये सारी जो एक्टिविटीज हैं ट्रेड की एंड प्रॉफिट की, these activities are not just limited to Venice, but it is it is also among various nations. बहुत सारे देश हैं जो यहाँ से व्यापार करते हैं वेनिस के थ्रू. So that will also have some kind of effect on that also, because that is about accountability. And therefore go therefore let's go. These griefs and losses have so baited me. Baited is reduced or restrained. These griefs of losing my ships, and losses is again that. But all of this has caused me so much pain, and I have become so weak that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh tomorrow to my bloody creditor. So bloody creditor here is Shylock, and he says, I shall hardly spare. Spare is just like a spare wheel you have in your car, uh, like that, which is in reserve. So I will not be able, because of my weakness, uh, to 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 give him a pound of flesh. Well, jailer, on. So he says, okay, jailer, let's go. Pray God, Bassanio come to see me, pay his debt, and then I care not. So he says, pray God, let's pray to God that Bassanio come and meet me, and then I do not care. So यहाँ कहा उसने pay his debt. So in that letter, Antonio mentioned that you come to see me, you come to meet me before my death, and all of your debt is clear. So that's why he says, come to see me, pay his debt, and then I care not, I don't care what will happen. And with that exit, and it is now Act Third, Scene Fourth. Enter Portia, Nerissa, Lorenzo, Jessica, and Balthazar, a man of Portia. So Balthazar is this a servant of Portia, and Lorenzo says, Madam, although I speak it in your presence, you have a noble and true conceit of godlike amity, which appears most strongly in bearing thus the absence of your Lord. So he is now praising Portia because of what she has said in our Act Third, Scene Second. क्या कहा था उसने? That after hearing that letter, she said, "Dispatch all business and be gone. Let's get ready and let's go and save your friend." So that is why here Lorenzo is praising her. He says, Although I am saying this in your presence, you have a noble and true conceit. Noble is good, and true conceit is a good idea or good thoughts or a faculty which enable you, या फिर हम कहें that she is able to have this kind of thoughts of godlike amity. Godlike is divine, amity is friendship. So this, you have some kind of respect for this divine friendship which is there between Antonio and Bassanio, which appears most strongly, and you have that kind of respect for friendship. It is very much visible in bearing the absence of your husband, that you are ready to bear, सहन करने के लिए तैयार हो, what, the absence of your husband, because you are newly married, and you have permitted your husband to go away from you. But if you knew to whom you show this honor, but so now he will be praising Antonio to make Portia feel proud, that if you knew to whom you show this honor, how true a gentleman you send relief, how dear a lover of my lord, your husband, I know you would be prouder of the work than customary bounty can enforce you. So now he basically क्या कहता है लोरेंजो कि किसी ऐसे ही आदमी के लिए तुमने इतना बड़ा सेक्रीफाइस नहीं किया है, ये आदमी बहुत ही खास है, और तुम्हें अगर ये पता चले तो बड़ा ही गर्व होगा अपने आप पर. So that is his idea. He says, to whom you have sent this relief, that gentleman is praising Antonio. How dear a lover. So what kind of love is there between your husband and this person? You will be proud of yourself more than customary bounty. Customary is the custom, we can say, held by custom. ठीक है, held by custom, out of custom. Bounty is generosity, जो हमेशा एक generosity, दया, एक दया के भाव के साथ अपनी अच्छाई के कारण जो तुम इस तरह लोगों की मदद करती हो, अगर तुम्हें पता चले कि वो इतना एक अच्छा आदमी है, then you will be proud of yourself. And then Portia says, I never did repent for doing good. I never repent. I never repented for doing good, for helping people, nor shall not now. And at this time also, I am not going to repent. For in companions that do converse. So here, companion is these friends. Do converse is to talk, who talk and waste the time, spend the time together, whose souls to bear an equal yoke of love. So here, yoke means a pair of oxen, पेड़, एक बैलों का जोड़ा. और जो बैल हैं, जब वो बैलगाड़ी में लगे हुए हैं, तो उस टाइम क्या होता है, उनके ऊपर एक एक जो भी बोझ है, दोनों के ऊपर क्या है, बराबर है. So that is here, she is referring to that burden she is referring to here. And both of these friends who talk and spend time with each other, whose souls do bear an equal yoke of love, and both of them their souls, they have this equal amount of love. There must be needs a like proportion of lineaments. Lineaments is these characteristics or features that, and in that case, both of these persons, they have similar kind of qualities of manners and of spirit, which makes me think that this Antonio, being the bosom lover of my lord, must needs be like my lord. So she says that those friends who who spend time together, they have same kind of qualities. They are equally They have equal love, equally good, and that is why I think that this Antonio is just like my husband. He is also of the same qualities as Bassanio is. So bosom lover here is dearest friend. If it be so, and if this is the case, how little is the cost I have bestowed in purchasing the semblance of my soul from out from out the state of hellish cruelty. Hellish is awful, horrible, या फिर नरक नरक जैसा. ठीक है, awful, horrible, भयानक, terrible. She says, if that is the case, if Antonio is just like my husband, he is as good as my husband is, then I have bestowed or I have given too less in purchasing or in having that that same kind of soul and from out the state of hellish cruelty and releasing him from this from this terrible pain or clutches of cruelty. So cruelty is that agreement which talks about having this pound of flesh. So she says that if I am going to free him from that, then I am very happy, and what I am paying for that is nothing, is very little. This comes too near the praising of myself. So now she realizes that this comes too near, that I am feeling like I am praising myself. Therefore, no more of it. So let's not talk about it and hear other things. तो दूसरी चीजें हैं उनके बारे में बात करें. And she says, Lorenzo, I commit into your hands the husbandry and manage of my house. So she is giving this management commit is I to give. I am giving this responsibility to you until my Lord's return. जब तक कि my husband Bassanio he has not returned. For mine own part, as far as I am concerned, I have toward heaven breathed a secret vow. I have breathed a secret vow means I have taken an oath to live in prayer and contemplation, and I will live in prayer, doing prayers and contemplating, or we can say ध्यान करना. ठीक है, only meditation, only attended by Nerissa here until her husband and my lord return. So I want none of you. I Nerissa is there for me. So and I will spend all of this time in praying to God. And there is a monastery 2 miles off. So here this is a monastery, we can say a kind of place where monks live, and there will we abide, and we are going to live there. Abide is we are going living place. We will live there. I do desire you not to deny this imposition. So imposition is this responsibility which she is giving to Lorenzo, that uh, I desire that you are not going to deny this. The which my love and some necessity now lays upon you. That responsibility which my love and some necessity, and because because of the demand of this time, I am I am giving this responsibility to you as per the condition. And Lorenzo says, Madam, with all my heart, I shall obey you in all fair commands. So he agrees that okay, I am going to follow whatever you command. And Portia says, my people do already know my mind and will acknowledge you and Jessica in place of Lord Bassanio and myself. So she tells him that all of those my people is here, that my servants they know that I am going there, and they will treat you as their master. They will follow you. Acknowledge this, that they will take you as their master. So fare you well till we shall meet again. So he says farewell, and Lorenzo says fair thoughts and happy hours attend on you. May you have this happy time and happy thoughts. And Jessica says, I wish your ladyship all heart's content. May you get all what you want. And Portia says, I thank you for your wish and am well pleased to wish it back on you. And I wish the same for you. Fare you well, Jessica, and then exit off Jessica and Lorenzo. And now Portia says, now Balthazar, as I have ever found thee honest, true, so let me find thee still. So this Balthazar is a servant to Portia, and she says, I have always found you honest and true. Let me find thee still means stay, just maintain that in my mind, stay like that, and gives Balthazar a letter. So she is giving him a responsibility, and that was to motivate him. That हमेशा मैंने तुम्हें सच्चा पाया है. That was to motivate Balthazar so that he can perform this responsibility uh, uh, in a better way. And she gives now a letter to him and says, take this same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man in speed to Padua. And all the endeavor is your attempt or your प्रयास, तुम्हारे प्रयास जो हैं वे, and take this letter and take it to Padua with the with the with all the possible uh, by using all the possible means. जितनी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी से वहां ले जाओ. See thou render this into my cousin's hands. Render is to give, and remember and be careful that you give it into the hands of my cousin, who is Dr. Bellario. And look what notes and garments he doth give you, and see what he will give you, what notes and clothes. Bring them, take them with you, and bring them here. I pray thee, I am praying you with imagined speed unto the traject. Traject is this boat. She says, imagine speed means very quickly uh, get yourself on the boat to the common ferry. So what was the boat? To that boat, to that ferry which trades to Venice, which goes to Venice. उस ship पर तुम very quickly you should come there. Waste no time in words, but get thee gone. So she says, let's not waste any more time, and you should leave. I shall be there before thee. I will be there in Venice before you will be reaching there. And Balthazar says, Madam, I go with all convenient speed. So he says, I will go as quickly or as fast I can. Exit Balthazar, and after this, he exits from here. So we will stop here and we will start again from the next dialogue.